Today, we are looking at Genesis chapter 4 verse 17-18, where we see Cain attempting to build a life and a legacy completely apart from God. We'll discover its meaning, what it reveals about the human desire for earthly security and achievement, and how to apply its lessons to our everyday lives. Now, let's read the verses together. Genesis chapter 4 verse 17-18 states, asterisk, Cain made love to his wife, and she became pregnant and gave birth to Enoch. Cain was then building a city, and he named it after his son Enoch. To Enoch was born Arad, and Arad was the father of Mehujael, and Mehujael was the father of Methushal, and Methushal was the father of Lamech. Let's dive into the meaning behind these verses. Cursed by God to be a restless wanderer, Cain attempts to defy his punishment, or perhaps soothe his own anxiety, by putting down roots and building a city. By naming the city after his son, Enoch, Cain focuses entirely on human legacy and earthly permanence. This marks the beginning of a civilization built on human effort and independence, entirely separate from reliance on God. The subsequent genealogy highlights the rapid expansion of a society rooted in self-sufficiency rather than divine submission. These verses reveal that when we are separated from God, our natural instinct is to try and manufacture our own security and significance. We often attempt to build our own cities, whether that means accumulating wealth, seeking status, or focusing heavily on our earthly legacy, to fill the void that only God's presence can truly satisfy. When we are tempted to find our ultimate safety in our careers, our bank accounts, or our family name, we are reminded of the futility of building our lives apart from the Lord. It reminds us to evaluate where our true security lies and to ensure we are building our foundation on God's eternal kingdom rather than our own temporary achievements. To summarize, Genesis chapter 4 verse 17-18 highlights humanity's persistent drive to build earthly empires and legacies independent of God. It warns us against the illusion of self-made security, but it purposefully challenges us to find our true identity and permanence not in what we can build with our own hands, but in our relationship with our Creator. Let's finish with a simple prayer. Repeat after me. Dear God, forgive me for the times I try to build my own security apart from you. When I am tempted to rely on my own achievements, remind me that true peace is only found in your presence. Help me to seek your kingdom first, and to anchor my legacy in your eternal love. Amen. If you enjoyed this study, please like, share, and subscribe.